In 2030, I would like to see an eradication of poverty around the world, spearheaded by the equalizing of the genders and empowering of women. Well, I think that a gathering like the Social Good Summit is a really important way to spearhead UN Week, because it really it grounds us in conversation about where we can focus as we look toward the very big accomplishment of the global goals. And so the Social Good Summit for me every year is a way to really look at the challenges that we have ahead, but also gather people together to create conversation so that we can try to make improvements and reach the 2030 goals.